Just double your trading capital, double your money within 6 trading sessions. This is an approach to trade options. Watch this video till the end. Subscribe to this channel. I will update all my live trading videos on how I doubled my capital in 6 to 7 trading session. So today is the first trading session which I am posting as a live video. Just watch this video for 3 to 4 minutes and subscribe. I have taken a trade at 146. I added some more lots at 146. My first target is 156 and my second target is 163. Now it's 153 call option. The reason I took a trade because it went above this line. So now it's trading at 153. If you have any questions, you can post it in the chat window. Now there will be a very good jump on the upside. Buyers will jump in now. Just one jump will hit my target. This is the first 5 minutes candle which closed above 17,410. Let's see what's happening in 15 minutes. Yeah, 15 minutes is very well trading above 17,410. It's retesting now. Let me see what HDFC is doing now. 154, 155. My first target is done. Now I'm waiting for my second target. Half of the quantities I have sold at 156. My first target is done. So 163 is my second target. 163 is my second target. Even that will be done. Yes, HDFC is 0.4% up. Yes, it will be done. $163. If market crosses this hurdle 17,421, if it goes above 17,421, it will tag R2, that is 17,468. So there will be another 50 points up. Now it's coming down, it's okay, but it will go up again. I will quit the other if it comes below 17,400. If any candle closes below 17,400, I will exit. But the candle has to close below 17,400. That is almost 17,395. But my first target is done. Let me see what's there in Hindalco. Oh, Hindalco did not give us a trade. It did not go beyond 539. 539 was the best price to buy. If you don't have any questions, so let's close it for today, because my first target is done and I will be waiting for my second target. So Rajkumar and Dr. Sridhar, thanks for joining this live trade. Thank you so much. See you tomorrow. Did anyone traded here? Did you took any position, Rajkumar? Dr. Sridhar, what about you?